What's up, everyone? I'm back. I was just making my brother's Valentine's box. That's why it took so long. It's going to be a Vermeer Rebel 5410. Yeah. We got a new addition to our farm since the last video I made. But anyways, y'all have been wanting some more farm videos. So, we got our chickens here. Let's see how many eggs she's got this time. See, some of you people don't know how to get a chicken. All you gotta do, just grab it. There you go. You got the eggs. That's how you get the eggs that you eat for breakfast. Got our heat lamp here. You got this little fighting rooster. He's just trying to mate, but he's hurting the hens in the process. So we've got him in this cage so he can be in the heat lamp, but also not attack the hens. So, and to all you people out there saying he's just mating, let it be. We've had a hen die from that. So that's why he's in a cage. So, put these eggs in the pocket here so we can continue filming the video. Hold up. And just set the phone right here. Nah, that's not gonna play. I'll just here. No, that's disgusting. I'll just set them in here for the while. I'll come back to get them when I end the video. So. And we'll walk over here to the peacock pen. Oh, we got chipmunk over there. See those branches moving? Just running across there. It's pretty nice. Here's a peacock pen. See the peacocks roaming. And if you're wondering why they don't have their colorful tails out, it's because they're not in mating season right now. That's when they do that and like shake their tails and open them and stuff. That's for when it's mating season. See, this is the one you can go. See the tail. Trying to block the sunlight for you guys. See his beautiful tail. Neon. It's neon blue. You ready to go? Ready to go? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yes, I am. But anyways, it's the peacock pen. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Hold up. I got no. I'll just do